cybercriminals can steal your credentials in 2 minutes. You shall not keep your passwords in a text file, spreadsheet, plain text, or a similar unprotected document. Why? Because that flimsy file might get stolen, corrupted, deleted, or, worse, retrieved by cybercriminals. I wouldn't like to see you scramble to change 200 passwords as soon as possible if you ever got hacked. You shall not use the default password sent to you by a service provider. Why? It's simple, because those passwords are usually simple and, consequently, easily breakable. It would be like giving candy to a baby, as they say. And cybercriminals love both your passwords and, probably, candy. You shall not use one of the shamefully weak passwords listed in this top 10. 1234561 123456789 1234 password 12345 123456788 admin 123111111123456 You shall not use words that can be found in a dictionary or that are common phrases. Why? Because cybercriminals have a method called dictionary attack. You shall not use passwords that include your birth date or other information that's easily available online. Why? Because tracking down your personal information online is what gives cybercriminals a field day. Even if you have your privacy settings pushed to the max, there's always a way around them for a guy that hacks confidential information for a living. You shall not use the same password without changing it for a long period of time. Why? Because passwords, just like the ice cream in your fridge, have an expiration date. An old password may be easy to crack, and there's a lot that can go downhill from there. Keeping things fresh can keep trouble off your track. You shall not use the same password twice. This is a big one. Seriously. This is one of the capital mistakes we all make when it comes to password management. Using the same password for more than one account, and usually making it an easy one, means that cybercriminals will get access to more accounts at once, and they'll be able to steal more data and do more damage. This is one of the capital mistakes we all make when it comes to password management. Using the same password for more than one account, and usually making it an easy one, means that cybercriminals will get access to more accounts at once, and they'll be able to steal more data and do more damage. How to create a good password in 4 easy steps. Step 1. Use a password generator to create long, complex passwords. Step 2. Make sure to use a combination of words, numbers, symbols, and both upper and lowercase letters. Step 3. Set extra strong passwords for those accounts that are crucial to you, email accounts, social media accounts, online banking accounts, etc., and make it memorable, so you can use it anytime you'd like. Step 4. Test your password strength using howsecureismepassword.net. How to safely store your passwords in 8 steps. Step 1. Use a password manager. Step 2. If you want to go the extra mile, you can even consider using more than one password manager application. Step 3. Where it's available, two-factor authentication is another great safeguard against cyber attacks. Step 4. Be especially careful with the passwords you use for logging into financial services, such as your online banking account. Step 5. Make sure that, when you log into an especially important account, the website has added protection through HTTPS. Step 6. Keep your browser and vulnerable software updated.
Choosing the best antivirus solution for your system can be daunting, given the plethora of options available on the market. Even seasoned IT professionals can be overwhelmed by the sheer volume of choices. To demystify this process, consider leveraging 3 key sources of information: user opinions, expert reviews, and independent testing. User opinions platforms like Quora and Yahoo Answers offer valuable community-driven insights. Quora, for instance, is a question and answer platform where you can pose queries such as, "What's the best antivirus?" You can also search for specific topics like computer security or antivirus software to quickly find relevant discussions. Similarly, Yahoo Answers provides a space for sharing and acquiring knowledge on a wide range of subjects, including antivirus solutions. Another useful resource for user opinions is Trustpilot, where you can read reviews and learn about the experiences of others who have purchased and used various antivirus products. This can help you gauge customer satisfaction and identify common issues or strengths of specific solutions. Expert reviews publications like PC Magazine offer a wealth of information through detailed reviews and comprehensive guides on computer and internet-related products. PC Magazine, in particular, tests antivirus software across several criteria, such as malware blocking, malicious URL blocking, phishing detection, privacy protection, and additional features. By exploring these reviews, you can gain a thorough understanding of the various capabilities and shortcomings of different antivirus programs. You can also check websites like Gizmo's Freeware, Tom's Guide, Softpedia, and PC Advisor for additional expert insights. PC Advisor, for example, conducts extensive tests on antivirus products specifically for the UK market, but their findings can be applicable to users elsewhere as well. Independent testing. Finally, independent testing agencies like AV-Test and AV Comparatives provide some of the most reliable evaluations of antivirus software. AV-Test is an independent service provider specializing in IT security analysis, and it frequently publishes results on the effectiveness of various antivirus solutions. Similarly, AV Comparatives, an Austrian-based testing agency, releases detailed reports and charts based on rigorous assessments. Among the tests conducted by these agencies are real-world protection tests, file detection tests, heuristic/behavior tests, false alarm tests, performance tests, malware removal tests, and anti-phishing tests. These comprehensive evaluations can be instrumental in helping you make an informed decision. The arms race between cybersecurity experts and cybercriminals is a relentless and ever-evolving struggle. While it is not accurate to declare traditional antivirus solutions obsolete, it is essential to understand the sophisticated techniques employed by modern cyber adversaries. Many create and test their malicious code against top-tier antivirus products to ensure they evade detection. Others exploit online services like VirusTotal to assess whether any of the multitude of antivirus solutions can recognize their malicious software. To safeguard against advanced threats, consider implementing these 10 critical steps to fortify your digital defenses. First, continue to use a reputable antivirus product. Despite criticisms that traditional antivirus solutions are outmoded, these tools still play a vital role in detecting and neutralizing prevalent malware, blocking phishing attempts, and verifying the reputation of web domains. Next, do not discard your firewall solution just yet. Although firewalls are often deemed redundant by some security specialists, they remain indispensable for filtering internet traffic and mitigating certain types of cyber threats. Employing anti-spyware tools is also crucial. Spyware can clandestinely monitor your online activities and steal personal information. Red flags for spyware infections include system slowdowns, unexpected pop-ups, new toolbars, and frequent error messages. Popular anti-spyware applications, such as Malwarebytes and Spybit Search and Destroy, can effectively combat these threats. Moreover, preventing spyware infections involves prudent practices like avoiding suspicious links and pop-ups, and exercising caution on social media platforms. Automatic update tools should be utilized for vulnerable applications. Unpatched software like Adobe Flash, Adobe Reader, Java, and popular web browsers are prone to security exploits. Ensuring these applications are consistently updated with the latest security patches can thwart many cyber attacks. Password management is another essential aspect of robust cybersecurity. Given the vast number of online accounts individuals maintain, a password manager can help generate and store unique, complex passwords, reducing the risk posed by reused or weak passwords. Regularly back up your system and sensitive information. In the event of a ransomware attack or other catastrophic data loss, a reliable backup allows for recovery without succumbing to cybercriminal demands. Advanced security products, specifically designed to counter sophisticated threats like zero-day attacks, should be part of your arsenal. These tools can detect and neutralize threats that traditional antivirus systems may miss. Encrypting vital files adds another layer of protection. Even if cybercriminals gain access to your system, encryption ensures that your most sensitive data remains inaccessible. To safeguard your online traffic, consider a multifaceted approach. Utilize a combination of security tools to create a robust defense against diverse cyber threats. Finally, continuous learning and adaptation are paramount. Stay informed by following the latest guidelines from cybersecurity experts. This guide forms the foundation, but evolving with the threats and updating your defensive measures will keep you resilient against future cyber challenges.